supposed to be.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Dude, hey. Oh my. What? Unnecessary noise.
If somebody say something I don't like, slap. If somebody look at me a way I don't like, slap. Somebody breathe too hard around me, slap, slap.
Is this a fucking joke? Is this a joke? This has gotta be a fucking joke.
Lagan picture bada kecil. Video udah kan lah.
Hey, mommy.
Hey, my baby.
Hey, my mommy. Hey, mama.
Achoo.
Brush.
No.
No.
Very smart. You don't have to stop to slow down like that.
Don't move, Charlie.
Hey there. What's your name? Maybe want to be my buddy? I would love to be your buddy. Want to be mine? I would love to be your buddy. Want to get out of here, possibly go get a snow cone or something? Me? A snow cone?
Hey. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. to you.
Come to Dennis. Going so fast.
Jax? I know. You're not stealing an acorn. No,
What are you smelling, Ducky? Where are we at?
Can I get one puppuccino, please?
One puppuccino?
Yep.
Ducky, did you hear we're ordering? We got puppuccino. Are you excited for your puppuccino? Ducky, you excited? Hi there.
Hi.
Ducky, here. Ducky, look at your mouth.
A little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable.
You are my best friend. We will go for walkies, and we will go on a picnic, and we will have so much fun forever and ever.
Run.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Please, Dad, don't make me go outside and go pee. I'm so comfy with Mom. We've got the blanket and it's heated, and I just don't want to. Please don't make me do it.
Well, you gotta go pee eventually.
Well, I can hold it.
How long are you gonna hold?
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Hey, listen, I like to have a lot of fresh fruit around and chocolate chips in my pancakes. Okay, write it down.
Why, once I met this guy who knew 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 this guy's cousin.
You're right! Let me spank that butt. 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 Let me spank that butt.
You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it.
Chubbies, I know more food.
It may get bigger, it may get a little bigger, it may not get bigger at all. We'll see what happens. But regardless of what happens, we're totally prepared.
We need to brush those teeth. Open up.
Louis, do your yoga. Do your yoga. Oh, the good boy. Oh, look at that. Oh.